बंगाल में एक बार फिर बंगाल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड का आयोजन किया गया। इसका आयोजन अर्नब बांग्ला फाउंडेशन ट्रू बैंक द्वारा 25 जनवरी 2025 को साइंस सिटी के ऑडिटोरियम में किया गया, जहां कई प्रतिष्ठित अतिथियों को आमंत्रित किया गया और कई पुरस्कार विजेता भी यहां मौजूद रहे, जिन्हें 2025 का पुरस्कार दिया गया। इसमें मुख्य रूप से एकेपी न्यूज का टॉक शो आकर्षण का केंद्र रहा। तो चलिए दिखाते हैं टॉक शो की कुछ खास रिपोर्ट्स।
Hello everyone. Now I feel the viewers are getting excited because I am sitting with none other than Mr. Nilanjan Chatterjee, and sir, I can't tell you, I am feeling so blessed, like to just sit like this.
The honor is all mine.
No sir, and I would like to say Boomerang and Khadan. I think I have watched so many times. So it was amazing, sir, to watch it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
And
love.
sir, how do you feel? You have received the award. So how do you feel?
I mean, it's more about the more than the award. It's all about the honor. It's all about the love. It's all about the recognition that people show for your work. And it's never an easy journey. A journey towards Nilanjan Chatterjee has never been so easy, but it has been an honest one. It has been a very, very humble one. And every time someone shows me the love or the need to show a bit of appreciation and acknowledgement towards the work, that really brings a smile on any artist's face. So I'm really glad and honored to be here today.
Sir, any advice would you like to give to the youngsters? Any advice would you like to give to the youngsters?
Guys, don't compromise. Please don't compromise. Do not compromise, especially on your art, because when anyone asks you about your name, you don't name someone else, you name yourself. You have an identity. Your work is your identity. You can compromise on the payments. Initially, a lot of people will not pay you the way you want to get paid. Not everyone would give you the motivation कि यही करना है. But what you can totally do is, when it's about the art, not about the payment, remuneration वो change होता रहता है. But about the art, when you're doing something, even at a lower rate, do not compromise on your art. Do it the way you want it to be. Do it at least, because once the song or whatever form of art you're into, when that releases in public, it bears only and only your name primarily. So people will judge you. All the goods are yours, all the bads are yours too.
Sir, anything would you like to say about your future projects?
Of course, in talks, we are in talks with a few producers about a few films ahead. But more importantly, it's always about the internal. It's always about the internal practices and the internal preparations. So after one project is done, I personally believe in upgrading my game in whatever way we can. So that is all I'm working on right now. Let's see. Now it depends on which project is coming up. We will decide on the soundscape after that and announce in public very soon.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm feeling so blessed right now to just
It is all mine.
talking to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.